हेलो दोस्तों, आज आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत है आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल प्रिपरेशन अड्डा में। आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं सेबी ग्रेड ए 2020 फॉर जनरल स्ट्रीम पेपर 2 के बारे में, जिसमें हम कवर करने जा रहे हैं मैनेजमेंट, फाइनेंस, कॉस्टिंग, सिक्स सिग्मा JIT, TPM, टोटल प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट एंड कंपनीज एक्ट से रिलेटेड कुछ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के बारे में। तो यदि आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लें। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, the bonds that are considered as junk bond and termed as higher yield are classified as expansion debentures. Second option is the premium debentures. Third option is the subordinate debentures, and fourth option is the ordinary debentures. The third option is the right option, subordinate debentures. Question number 2. The contract which gives the right to holders to sell or buy the asset at a specific time period rather than giving the obligation is classified as. Option first is the option, second is the contract, and third is the obligatory contract, and fourth is the non-obligatory contract. Option first is the right answer. Option first. Question number 3 is which of the following is the cost of any action taken to investigate a defect? Which of the following cost of any action taken to investigate a defect? First option is none of these, second is the appraisal cost, and third is the prevention cost, and fourth is the failure cost. Third option is the right option, prevention cost. Question number 4. The service provided by financial institute as providing financing to any specific sector of economy such as real estate business are classified as. First is the business allocation, sector allocation, and third is the economic allocation, and fourth is credit allocation. Credit allocation is the right answer. The service provided by financial institution as providing financing to specific sector of economy such as real estate business are classified as the credit allocation. Question number fifth. Question number fifth is what happens if normal loss does not have a scrap value? What happens if normal loss does not have a scrap value? Option first is that it is value in the process account as half the value. Second is that it is the value in the process account at this value, and third it is valued in the process account as nil. It is value in the process account twice the value. Third option is the right answer. It is value in the process account as nil. Question number 6. The investor who want cash flow in near term shows preference for interest portion of interest portion of story, interest portion of strips, and fourth option the interest portion of bonds. Third option is the right option, interest portion of strips. Question number 7. Just in time was successfully implemented by. First option is the Toyota, second option is the Honda, third option is the Suzuki, and fourth option is the Volkswagen. First option is the right option, Toyota. Toyota is the which is the company just in time was successfully implemented. POK stand for. Question number 8. POK stand for. First option is the product ordering Kanban. Second option is the process ordering Kanban. Third option is the production ordering Kanban. And fourth option is the plan ordering Kanban. Third option is the right option. POK stand for the production ordering Kanban. Question number 9. Just in Question number 9. Just in time is a single unit production. Second option, big lot size production. Third option is the quality. And fourth option, the both first option, second option. Just in time is a single unit production. JIT does not believe in equality. Second option the overproduction. Third option is the human relation, and fourth option is the both first and second option. JIT does not believe in overproduction. Second option is the correct option. Here JIT believe in quality and human relation. Question number 11. The liability of a shareholders in a company limited by share is. The liability of shareholders in a company limited by share is. First option is unlimited, second is limited by guarantees, third option is limited to the unpaid value of share subscribed by him, and fourth option is the none of the above. Third option is the right option, limited to the unpaid value of share subscribed by him. Question number 12. The articles of a company conflict with the memorandum. The articles of a company conflict with the memorandum. First option, the articles shall prevails. Second option, the memorandum shall prevails. Third option, the directors will resolve the conflict. And the fourth option, the court will resolve the conflict. Option number first is the right option. The article shall prevails. Question number 13. Share capital of a company means. Share capital of a company means equity share capitals, preference share capitals, equity and preference share capital means first and second option both, and equity and preference share capitals and debentures. Third option is the right option, equity and preference share capitals. The Reserve Bank of India is an example of registered company, statutory company, chartered company, and unlimited company. Option number 2 is the right option. The Reserve Bank of India is the example of statutory company. Question number 15. Under the Companies Act, which of the following powers can be exercised by the Board of Directors? First option, power to sell any of the company's undertaking, power to make call, power to borrow money in excess of the paid up capital, and fourth option is the power to reappoint an auditor. Option number 2 is the right option, power to make call. Question number 6. Under the Indian Companies Act 1956, a person can be a director in 7 companies, 15 companies, 20 companies, and fourth option is the 30 companies. Option number 3 is the right option, 20 companies. Under Indian Companies Act 1950 says a person can be director in 20 companies. Question number 17 is the existence of a joint stock company is interrupted by first option the death of its member, the option number 2 the death of its director, third option is the death or insolvency of its managing director, and fourth option is the none of the above. Question, the existence of the joint stock company is interrupted by. Option number third is the right option, the death or insolvency of its managing director. Question number 18. What does Jehu Hosen aims for under TPM implementation? First option is the less change over time. Second option is the autonomous maintenance. Third option is the continuous improvement. And fourth is the clean lines. Fourth option is the right option. What does Jehu Hosen aim for under TPM implementation? Is the first clean lines. Question number 19. Which of the following losses is classified under quality losses? Option number first is the rework. After a question number Option number second is the incorrect setting. Third option operator shortage, and fourth is the alignment problem. Which of the following losses is classified under quality losses, rework. Option number first is the right option. How question number 20, how many pillars are considered under TPM, total productive management? First option is the second option is the seventh, third option is the 10th, and fourth option is the 8th. Option number fourth is the right option. Four Option number fourth is the right option. 8. How many pillars are considered under TPM? 8 pillar. Question number 21. A sample that will lead to incorrect conclusion about the population and which will not be representative of the population is. First option, clustered. Second option, biased. And third option, random. Fourth option, stratified random. Second option is the right option, biased. Question is sample that will lead to incorrect conclusion about the population and which will not be representative of the population is. Option number 2 is the right option, biased. Question number 22. They are expert statistician and help the black belt in case issues. Option number first, Six Sigma development leader. Second option, champion. Third option is the master black belt, and fourth option is the green belt. Option number third is the right option, master black belt. They are expert statistician and help the black belt in case of issues. Master black belt. Question number 23. Overall and strategic planning is done by. Option number first is the top management. Option number second is the supervisory level management, and third option is the middle level management, and fourth option is the all of the above. Option number first is the right option, top management. Overall and strategic planning is done by top management. Option number first is the right option. Question number 24 is the while delegating a superior delegates. First option, only authority. Second option, authority and responsibility. Third option, authority and responsibility and accountability. And fourth option, only responsibility. While delegating is superior delegates is option number first is the right, only authority. Only authority. Option number first is the right option. तो दोस्तों, आपको ये क्वेश्चन कैसे लगे, ये वीडियो कैसा लगा, आप ज़रूर कमेंट करें, हमें पता चले कि हमारा वीडियो आपके लिए कितने हेल्पफुल हैं और इस क्वेश्चनों में आपको कितनी मदद मिल सकती है। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स।